Hey everyone, it's Deb and it's What I Made Wednesday. So, as you know, I've been working through using my new dies that are old dies too as well. This one is a KSCraft Sunflower Paper Cards Big Set. And I did make a few samples of the sunflower, and I absolutely love these. They are so cute. So I think I layered 3 different colors, and I used, the Michaels pads. I used pads like this from Michaels to make the flowers. I like to buy these smaller pads, and that's what I use to cut out flowers and smaller embellishments. Okay, so let me show you this real quick. It actually has, it's a bow maker, but I'm not using that bow maker portion. I'm only using these two, and I keep them attached because it's so much easier, and just cut a bunch. And then here's the center, and it's really cute. I cut it in glitter, but I bet the texture of that center would be, would show up more on regular paper. One day I will make the bow just to see what that looks like, but not today. That might be cute for like a bag topper or something like that. But anyway, I wanted to show you the sample of this. They are so cute. Okay. All right, moving on. And bear with me, guys. My allergies, as usual, are messed up. But, that's normal. So this is the KSCraft 2025 drink box shaker. Now, I made samples of this. I'm not sure how I would use these. I probably need to make the shakers to see if that's something I would use or anything. I think they're super cute, especially if you put some twine around this area. They would be super cute. But here's a smaller version and the larger version, and just some different papers that I cut it out in. And that's all I did, was cut those out like that. And then I figured, I don't want to use any more paper because I'm not sure how I would use something like that. But it's cute. It's super cute. I probably need to make this shaker, and I'll probably like it more. Okay, so those are done. Ooh, excuse me. And then this is the KSCraft May 2025 birthday bag topper. Now, this is something I will use a lot. You'll see that in just a minute. It's super cute, but it's also super easy. Bear with me, guys. I've got my hands, but I probably have arthritis, and I have a hard time with grasping small things. It hurts. But anyway, look at this. Just 1, 2, 3, 4. Just 4 layers. So easy. So this is happy and birthday, and then that's a handle, and then, the topper background. This is the easiest die. Well, one of them, besides that notebook, the notepad die that I showed you last week. Okay, let me see. Well, I'll come back to this in a minute. I just wanted to show you that there are just a few pieces, but look at the samples I made. Oh my goodness, these are fun. Happy birthday. Look how cute. And I used some of the new Michaels paper, and then my glitter, those little small Michaels notepads. I just used those for the happy and the handle, and then the birthday. Look how cute. And then this one, that's from the Michaels Summer Fair paper, I believe. Is that the name of that one? Yes, Summer Fair paper. That is the cutest paper. It looks like confetti. It's just cute. I love it. And then this was some leftover, that free paper that I got from scrapbook.com when they gave the 50 sheets of paper away. That polka dot was one of them. I know one thing, I need to get more polka dot paper in my stash. Okay, so that was super cute. I can see how that is going to be a great thing. You know, you could definitely make those and put stuff in it for craft fairs and maybe make some favors, you know, just different things. Okay, here is one of my favorites, and I can't wait to make more things out of this. It's the KSCraft 2025 May Cupcake mini album. Okay, I only made samples. I'm still working on this. I have something in mind that I want to make. This was the first one I made. It comes with a little cherry. Super easy to work with. That's another one I'm working on. I haven't, you know, decorated. And then this one. Let me show you the actual dies. Let me take that off of camera so y'all don't have to see me struggle. Okay, so here we go. Here is, oh, and you can make a shaker out of those. Here is this portion of the die. And then here's the background of the cake top. And then here's the whole frame of the cupcake. And then you've got birthday, and you have some candles, and you even get a flag with it, which is really nice. I mean, you can use that in so many projects. I'm not sure what this is for, guys. I'm going to have to figure that one out. And then here's the cherry. The cherry is so cute. I ended up cutting it in 2 parts to, you know, do the stem. And then it also comes with sprinkles. I didn't use that at all. Probably not going to use sprinkles. Excuse me. I'm probably going to let the paper do that. Yeah, that's what I did in this one. And that's not Michael's Summer Fair paper. Okay. All right, guys, this is all I've made. Stay tuned. I actually hit 300 subscribers. And I do have a giveaway that I will be announcing later on today, a 300 subscriber giveaway. So you want to make sure and look for that. Also, I want to show you something that I signed up for July. Rebecca Hoot on YouTube and Instagram, I believe, has a July camp that she does every year. And I joined it. And this is the theme of the July camp, making a junk journal featured around this book, Candyland. I am so excited. I even signed up for the swap. I think I have to send things to 3 people. I'm not sure what I'm supposed to send, but we'll find out later on. I believe she announces that or sends us an email out June 6th or something like that. But anyway, this is the book that we are using for our junk journal in July. And I am so excited that I signed up for that. And I'm looking forward to that. But anyway, I want you to stay tuned for a 300 subscriber video for today. I will have that uploaded later on today. And just follow the directions on that. If you have any questions, let me know. But anyway, I enjoyed showing you what I made. You guys have a great day. And stay tuned for that video. Okay? All right. The 300 subscriber video. Bye.